How's everybody doing? First of all, I want to apologize for not uploading a video, but it seems that my file got corrupted and I had a bunch of good video on it. Matt and I were porting the heads, and you might see a little bit of that, I don't know, from the other video, the last one I've done, but anyway, I'm here to try to catch up on what might have been on those files, just to catch y'all up and move forward from that. So here's our header. It's all welded up. It works. It's going to be good. Let's see here. We've got mod rings. This off. We got some paint in there, but they're not, like I say, this is just mocked up. There's no pistons. The pistons are over here. Matt opened up the heads for me, which you can see, but it's a lot bigger than they were. Let me set this down. As you can tell, this will be a blow-through setup. The motor is put together as far as the crank and the rods. The case is sealed. I got my deep sump mocked up on there. I think that's going to work good. So in the video that I really wish I still had, we used this tool, brand new. And we took the springs that were on the CB heads off, which were these. And it worked fine for a little bit. But in the end, it was really kind of dangerous. And this tool sucks. So we had a retainer. One of these retainers we had it zip tied. We did everything we could that we thought was safe, and this retainer went flying, and it actually hit up there and went flying through the shop. So there's a lot of pressure on valve springs, and we had safety glasses on and everything, but still, the old imprint in the forehead could have been dangerous. So there is no way in the world this is going to work for these springs here that we're going to put on. As you can tell, they're a lot taller, and there's a lot more spring pressure. So I've got this tool that I borrowed, and if it can't do that, then we've got a problem. But I think it'll be fun. So what I'm going to do is take these heads off. I'm going to clean them. I'm going to take the jugs off. We're going to assemble the pistons today. We're going to, oh, and I've already gapped all the rings. That was in the video that I lost. So all that's done. I just want to clean these up a little better. Reinstall the rings, clean out the jugs, install those with the pistons, put the valve springs on. I've already lapped the valves. I know you didn't see that, but that was also on the video. So the valves are all lapped. Yeah, so hopefully by the end of this video, it'll look like this, but all together. So I'll get back with you shortly. I got one set in. They were a pain in the ass, but they're in, and they look all right. We'll see. on to the next head. Okay, well, got one side done. Didn't run into any major problems. Got a little more deck height than I wanted, but it's going to work, I think, either way. Boost will make up for that, I'm sure, at some point. So I'm going to try to work on this a little bit more, but got a car show going to tomorrow, about 2.5 hours away in Tampa. Quaker Steak and Lube Volkswagen car show. It's a pretty cool place. You have a swap meet there and pretty cool place to eat. So I got a few things I want to do on the car. I want to adjust the fuel gauge level. It doesn't quite read where I like it, so I'll fix that. Most of you are aware of the new pans and feeder channels we put in the car, but it's going to be kind of cold tomorrow. It's going to be in the 40s and 50s, so I haven't really had time to, can't really see that too well, but I haven't had time to fix the body part. But there's a couple little holes in there I'm going to fill up just so it keeps the feet a little warm. But other than that, it's ready to go. Put the old 6-volt on the battery charger tonight. Should fire up fine in the morning. And get back to this at another time. Don't worry, it won't be long, and I will record it and keep you along for the build. Alright, until then, talk to you later.